Let's understand it in the concept of general happening, very basic happening, regular things like what do players do in the field? It's my question. What do players do in the field? They play. It's a very basic concept, a very common concept. What do teachers do in the class? They teach. What do students do? They study. It is it is always hot in June. It is always cold in December and January. So these things, these examples, you can see that they are very basic concepts. And whenever we are talking about a very basic concept, we talk we use the simple present tense. You can see the tenses, you can see the sentences. It is always cold. It is always cold in December and January. It is the simple present form of a verb. What do teachers do in the class? Do is again a simple present form. Again, what I said, it is always hot in June. Again, is is a simple present form of the verb, an auxiliary verb. So the bottom line is, whenever we are talking about a general concept, a very basic and common thing, we use simple present tense.